Hello, this is Ian from DC Digital, and today I'm going to be showcasing a custom version of our DC-40T-UP-TERM Up-Timer. This order is going to Forest River as they requested an up-timer that would be used in conjunction with their RV wall gluing / laminator. This model is going to help in regulating their workers to get to the next station to reapply the next batch of glue for when that glue dries up. What makes this model unique from all the other models is that there is no stop or pause function. It's only meant to reset and increment continuously between each other. So now I'm going to be going over the functions on how this unit is meant to work. As you can see here, we have our display A and our display B, and they are both connected to each other via a 25 feet cord that is hardwired into each terminal in the back. We also have our stainless steel red button that is connected to terminal A via hardwire. And as of right now, when you plug it into the wall outlet, it will display just the number 0. So I'm going to press the button, and as you can see, terminal A is starting to increment. And now I'm going to press the big red button again, and now terminal B is incrementing. So the way this is meant to work is that the workers are meant to apply a batch of glue, and it's supposed to dry for 8 minutes. And they have 2 stations in which it has to be reapplied. So in this case, once the 8 minutes are up and they see that it's up, they just press the button, and that resets terminal A. Terminal B, at this point, we're going to just say, has also reached 8 minutes. So at that point, I just press the big red button again, and that resets the total count for terminal B right back to 0. So going over the functions of this unit, it is a tough 14 gauge aluminum fingerprint resistant black powder coated casing for each unit. The display size for each is 4 inches, 7 segments, and it comes with a super bright red LED that can be viewed up to 200 feet for each of them. Then it has a total of 4 digits each, and its power type is a 120 to 240 VAC wall adapter with a 6 feet cord for each model. For mounting, it is a 4x4 or 2x4 electrical rough teardrop slotted knockout, which can be found directly in the back. And lastly, for accessories, we have our stainless steel weatherproof switch button with a 25 feet cord. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating a special version of our DC-40T-UP-TERM non-stop up-timer with stainless steel controller. Thanks for watching.